Hello, today I'm going to tell you about our World News Digest database. This is an excellent database if you're looking for information about important events that have happened from 1940 until the present. Now, if you are unsure of how to get to our list of databases or how to log into them from home, please take a look at our off-campus access database. If you click on World News Digest, there's a couple things I want to show you. And the first of these is our historical documents on World News Digest. If you click on these three bars in the upper left-hand corner, and then you'll go over here to historical documents on the right, you will see that they are organized alphabetically, or you can search them by year. So we're going to pretend like we're looking for a document in 1973. So I'm going to go over here and click on the 1970s, and I'm going to scroll down to 1973. And you'll find a number of documents here related to Watergate. I'm going to click on Agnew criminal charges, the first one, just to show you how this works. And you'll see that this is a nice long primary source historical document. If you wanted it, there are several ways you could get it to yourself. You can print it, and you can print it with the MLA citation, with the Chicago Manual of Style citation, or without a citation. Or you can email it to yourself or somebody else. Or you have this hyperlink here, and you can share that with somebody else if you like, and they would need to log in to the database in order to view it. Now, you can also have the computer read aloud the document to you. The other thing I would like to show you is advanced search in World News Digest. If we go back up to these three bars on the top left-hand corner, we'll go down to advanced search, and there's a number of ways you can limit your search on advanced search. And I'm going to limit to 1973. So I'm going to go down here to where it says month, day, and the year. And I'm going to go 01/01/1973. And over here I'm going to type in 12/31/1973. And you can also limit to things like news articles if you like. I'm going to limit to just leave it on all results. So I'm going to type in Watergate. And we're going to see what we get. There we go. And Watergate case, Watergate defendant sentence. That's the second one. Let's look at that. And this is a news article. And again, you can do the URL. They also have it down here. You can print it. You can email it. And there's the link again. And so this is a wonderful resource for these kinds of events that have happened since 1940. If you need any further help, please check out our chat reference service and follow us on Facebook and Twitter and other socials. Have a great day.